Okay, last week, Rishi Sunak, as Prime Minister, started a trend. He published his tax returns, and then that forced Keir Starmer to publish his tax returns. And on this channel, we exposed Starmer's tax returns because they were a bit dodgy. Some of the items were missing. So you had Starmer, you had Rishi, the main two parties, government, opposition. Then somehow, out of nowhere, the Liberal Democrats and the Lib Dem leader, Ed Davies, come out and say, I'll play too, let me play a game. He decided to publish his tax returns. Yes, this is Sir Ed Davey with his free face shield social distancing thingy that they used to do. What is the point of Ed Davey, really, in British politics? He decided to publish his tax returns. We've discovered a little bit of a flaw in his tax returns. Firstly, because he published a summary. It's not even a real tax return, but he basically got in touch with his accountant, his chartered accountants, and they sent him this. And so he published this. Dear Ed, your personal tax returns. Yay! So on top of the summary, it says you got income and you got tax paid for 2 years, 2020 to 2021 and 2021 to 2022, last year. Then you've got employment, which is his MP salary, £76,000, 900, ish, because it changed last year. Then you've got dividends. So the money is made out of Parliament 2 years ago. Well, last year it was basically 202, and recently it was £136. That's all he made, okay? Just for the record. So in total, he made about £77,000 each year. He paid about £18,000 in income tax. Then we looked down at the notes next to dividends, number 1. It says, until February 2022, consultancy and advisory work was undertaken on behalf of Energy Destinations Limited. Okay, so then we looked into this Energy Destinations Limited company to find out more about how come he only was paid £300. Wow, was that really the amount of work he did? So, this is the registered, the section where you register your financial interests and earnings. Sir Davy of Kingston and Surbiton, unless otherwise stated, all earnings paid to Energy Destinations Limited. Okay, so this is the page where it relates to this company. So, until the 12th of January 2022, consultant on political issues and policy analysis. Okay, fair enough. How much? From the 1st of June 2017, he received £5,000 a month for an expected monthly commitment of 6 hours of work. Oh, that's so good. That's actually not bad. 6 hours of work, you make £5,000 a month. Then also, he received £4,500 every 3 months for a quarterly commitment of 12 hours. When it comes to being a member of the advisory board of Next Energy Capital, a specialist investment and asset manager in the international solar sector. Okay, so they're all the big green lobby money. If you bring your calculator to the screen for a second, guys, if you then multiply the monthly and quarterly income from this for a Davy, there's a bit of a surprise. Why? Because the total is £78,000. Yep, £78,000 is missing from his tax returns. What happened there, Ed? Where is the money? Where is the tax? Maybe use someone else to do it. I don't know. But that £300 from dividends, are you sure? Are you really sure? Okay. So also discovered that this Energy Destinations Limited filed for a voluntary liquidation as well. So the company went down, so that's fine. Filed for voluntary liquidation in June 2022 with £65,000 cash in the bank and total assets of £110,000 and 19 pence. So it looks like the whole company is a bit of a Mickey Mouse company. Not really accusing him of anything, but I don't understand why he didn't include that in his tax returns. I think it's important for the public to see transparency. I think it's healthy for accountability in politics and democracy. And I'm just fascinated why, apart from Guido, no one else talked about this in the media. Where is the media, ladies and gentlemen? I know nobody cares about Ed Davey and the Lib Dems, but they're still paid by the taxpayer. And I think we should care about our so-called local representatives. Anyway, feel free to share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mahyar Tousi, and we are the media.